Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Ram 2500 rear bumper. First, let's get prepared. You'll need some basic tools, including a 15mm socket, various wrenches, and a trim tool for delicate parts. Always work in a safe, level area, and remember to disconnect any electrical components before you begin. Safety is always our top priority when working on your truck. Now, let's move on to the electrical connections. You'll find several wiring harnesses, including those for backup sensors, license plate lights, and the trailer hitch connector. Carefully unplug each one. Some may have a red locking tab or a push tab that needs to be released. A trim tool can be very helpful here to prevent any damage to the plastic clips. Next, we'll tackle the main mounting bolts. You'll typically find two 15mm bolts on each side of the bumper mount, and often two more behind the license plate. It's crucial to support the bumper with a jack stand or have a helper, as it can be quite heavy. Loosen these bolts carefully, ensuring you don't strip the heads, and keep them organized for reinstallation. With all the bolts and electrical connections removed, it's time for the final step. With the help of a friend, carefully slide the bumper straight off the vehicle. It's important to lift it evenly to avoid any snags or damage. Once it's off, store your bumper in a safe place where it won't get scratched or dented. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your home tech, check the description for a link to smart speaker deals and other great offers. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.